Providing unnecessary services or tests is an example of this, one of the 7 wastes.
What is overproduction?
A lean leader should work toward these directional values.
What are the company's true north values?
This cell layout shows operators working multiple machines. This is why when developing standard work, one must treat these 2 categories of time separately.
What are cycle and setup times?
What is operator time and machine time?
According to Art Byrne, a lean leader's standard work should include building this capability in the organization.
What is problem solving to the root cause?
A lean culture requires asking why rather than this, when a problem surfaces.
What is who, as in who did it?
In his book Lean Six Sigma, Michael George claims that lean means this.
What is speed?
In a traditional culture, experts and specialists solve problems. In a lean culture, this larger group does it too.
Who is everyone?
Medical errors are an example of this waste.
What are defects?
When creating a lean layout, materials should be placed for the convenience of these value-adding people.
Who are the operators or production associates?
A value stream mapping activity for patient flow through a hospital might be used to shorten this lengthy key metric.
What is length of stay?
Thanks. That is our show for today.